Right, hands up in chat. Who's hot? I mean, I don't mean... No, hang on. That came out all wrong already. Fuck's sake. Let's get some music on here. Now, there we go. Turn it down a touch. There we go. It's in temperature. I mean, not in terms of... anyway, you know what I mean. It's hot. It's really hot. Anyway, welcome in, everyone. Yeah, I was thinking, Francis. Yeah, I really want your air conditioning at this point. Zeron, I'm hot temperature-wise, but a hot mess aesthetically. What was everyone calling you the other day? Mr. Tickle. I don't know where that comes from. JC 1980. Welcome in, Francis. Officer Father. Welcome in. Yeah. Riker 77, Night Shift, Blitter Object, Benny did it proper, Braxton, Commander Keen, who I see, Pyru as well, I saw a Pyru, Polpo, sadly can't watch today, Braxton, Cloaked Alien, I saw you there as well, Boost, SE, anyone remembers a demo where the decrunching a sample player said, unpacking pack, a silence of North Star, I think, I don't know. Flow from, welcome in. Grid point as well. Oh, Matt, hang on, this camera's... There we go. Oh no, it's alright, I'm loud on that. The level's alright. Rob Smith Dev, you're here, still playing a certain game. And that's great to hear. You haven't thrown your controller into your screen yet. That is fabulous news. Manic Winer, welcome in as well. The game is Outrun. Now that will make you want to smash everything into tiny pieces. Which reminds me, actually. Who's that? Who's that? Commander Keen. That's too kind of you, mate. Officer Father, Ancat, Manic Winer, Fjord Snable, Conrad, Rev Dead Wrong, Neo Nemphis, DJ Brooke B, Life's Faded, and Blue Raff. Give Commander Keen a big hug. He's gifted you a sub. It's incredibly generous. I just came into chat and sniped a subscription. This is fab, isn't it? Yeah, the level's alright. I'm playing chiptunes today. For good reason. So, yeah, it's alright. I don't know. No one said anything. Am I delayed today? I don't know. Music's good. Okay, good. That's fine. That's fine. So yeah, today, the RAM it's RAM hot. Yeah, it is. Yeah, today the plan is we're going to make a little production. It's a little production. And I got this idea seeing NE7's post on the old X/Twitter/ whatever you want to call it the other day, where he put up his ASCII collection from his massive long ASCII from Nova. And had it scrolling with the tune going, but it was like manually scrolling it. And I thought, why don't we just... I've got a thing that does that already. Why don't we just code that up for him? And then we can do ASCII collections, right? And maybe even ANSI, so we might even look at that. So, yeah, that's what we're looking at. Anything new to show you? Only that, obviously, it's kickstart in a few days. And if you are there, I will have a few of the limited number of these for sale over at Retro32/Immortal Joysticks. And some of these as well, if you're about. So, yeah. Those look great. They are great, Mad Pew. Where's mine? Well, mine's on the shelf over there. I don't think you can. No, you can't see it slightly out of shot. I've got a second-eyed poster up there as well now. So yeah. Are you able to zoom the text way out so it's per char pixel? No, we're not doing anything fancy like that. Nibs, 24 months. Bloody hell. That's almost a year. And I'll see you on... are you arriving Friday, mate? I should be in Nottingham if the car doesn't break down this year. About 5, 6 o'clock. Well, more like 6 probably. Friday evening, wicked. All right. Well, I think I've got your number anyway, so I'll hit you up when I hit there. Find out where you are. So yeah. Right. So yeah, that's the plan today. Yeah, no Seekanoid stuff today. Played it last week. Completed it, mate. So, oh, brilliant. Okay, mate. Well, as soon as I'm checked into me Airbnb and decompressed for a moment, then yeah, I'll see. Rotozuma text reader boom. No, we're not going that mental. Right. Your Seekanoid is on its way, Manimo. Excellent. Just in time for fucking happy hour, yeah. Night shift, yours shipped yesterday as well. Excellent to hear. TDD, not yours yet. Do pubs still do that? I don't know. 42. No, that's the meaning of life, the universe, and everything. Now, before you start randomly throwing numbers into chat, you need to know what the case is, right? You can't just be randomly throwing numbers into chat. So, it's an option between 1 through to 7. Alright, I did 7 discs today. I was feeling generous. I was actually testing out disc flashback. Oh, Xeron straight in there, number 7. I love that. You like get the option of like a higher number. Like, yep, that's it. I should have put the shittest demo on that disc, shouldn't I? 4 is the average. Actually, it's 3.5. So I'd have to snap the 4th disc in half, I think, and then separate that off with, anyway. Disc 3 side 2 then. Okay, right. How do I do this again? I've forgotten. Let's go and have a look and see what's going on. This Bionic Commando version is completely incorrect. I will not chastise them. Oh no, wrong channel. So you pick number 7. Oh, for flip's sake, Ian. Come on, press the right buttons. Okay, there we go. That is working. There we go. Let's see what we got then. Shh, chip tunes. Ah! Well, there we go. What a demo to start on, eh? Nice. Right, I'm going to disappear. There we go. 242 by the one and only Fairlight / Virtual Dreams. Our Virtual Dreams production. This was listed under Fairlight on the website I looked at, I think. I can't remember. But yeah, brilliant tune. Absolutely brilliant demo. Who doesn't love a bit of 242? I mean, you'd be mad not to, wouldn't you? Yeah. Massive round of applause for that one. Let's get that back on. Down a bit. There we go. What a great start. Yes. So, yeah. Anyway, NE7, we're going to make a production out of your ASCII today. I said we were going to do it, and that's definitely what we're going to do today. And then hopefully we can, we'll have a look and see how far we can get it. But I want it to be something that you can basically just throw some text files in, and then hit a button, and then it will spit you out another production, right? That's the plan anyway. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. 4 straight in there. 4. There we go. Commander Keen, just like laser focus. Well, at least they managed to reset the bloody Amiga properly. I didn't. Oh, this looks like a compilation. Let's have a look at the mouse pointer. Upside down. Workbench scrolling demos with a soundtracker from Sonics. Yeah, coded by Seb. Okay. Oh. Is there another one? There might be. Here we go. I love this upside down mouse pointer. That's brilliant. Right, resetting that. I've completely and utterly forgot to mention. Sorry, we got raided. It's quite easy. Calastalesia. That's what I'm saying. Hello, welcome in, Raiders. My name's Hoffman. If you've not been here before, oh yeah, we clap demos. We watch demos on real hardware with real beer, in real heat. You see over there, look, with real fans, right? Yeah, that's what we do. So yeah, thanks for raiding in. It's hotter than a Mother Hubbard in here at the moment, or hotter than a Rob Hubbard, you know, whichever way you put it. Right. Oh, it's my tune. It's my only fan. It's not plural. Evening, Doctor. How you doing? Hey, Curl. Gridpoint. Everyone else, keep it lovely and busy. I'm going to give you another option here. 1, 2, 3, 5, or 6. 1, 2, 3, 5, or 6. So. Oh, Xeron straight in there with number 3. That's it. I wonder what it is. Oh. And we have a guru, I think, or they're emulating a guru. I don't know which. No. No. That's yeah, same issue that we had. Bad reset. Blimey, we've got a lot of demos here today, haven't we? Come on, camera, keep up. Hello, Hitch, mate. How you doing? Let's give that a clap. I mean, it's very old. Oh, Prince Phase is here. Just a reminder, he's running a thing for beginner coders to do some Amiga demo effects. Prince Phase, if you've got a link, mate, can you chuck it in? I'm pretty sure you can do that. Yeah, I'm fine, mate. Hitch, I'm off to Kickstart this weekend, so yeah, can't wait. It's going to be great fun. So, but yeah, I'm sweating like insert probably inappropriate simile here. No, not yet, mate. I can't get to the shop to find you your perfect tea. So, as soon as I found the tea, mate, it will be there. All right. So, who's that? Tasman Audio, RGB, Maybarani, Geeky Chappy, Lars 18th. Give your Dockster a big hug. Oh, hang on. Yeah, because they've gifted you a sub. Hang on, let me VIP you again there, Prince Phase. Right, try that again, mate. Sorry. No worries. Yeah, mate. Don't worry. It's I can see it. It's just, you know. There you go. The Amiga Demo Effect Jam. So if you've never coded an Amiga Demo Effect but thought you'd want to have a go, now's your chance. Lots of resources available from Prince Phase 101. Yeah. I think it'd be great, that. Right, what discs have I got left? I've got quite a few left, and we're kind of at the halfway point, so I can't be bothered to put the tunes back on. 1, 2, 5 or 6. 1, 2, 5 or 6. 2. Bloody hell, Keen. You are keen today. I was going to say, let's choose the other one, because you've already had one, but then Braxton got 2, so Braxton gets 2. So, there you go. Which one's this? Oh, this is the 32K demo. This looked interesting. I think that's showing its hand now, hasn't it? And there's no exit anyway, so that's fine. Hey, Gwem and Raiders, welcome in. Doing some hardstyle this evening. Nice to hear. What were you doing that on? I imagine like some cool bits of kit, some hardware and stuff. Let's give that a clap. That's great for 32 kilobyte. Very impressive. Roland MC707. I keep saying like, I keep. At some point, I am going to have to do a stream with this bad boy. Yeah. It's my original 505. It's a bunch of my presets on this thing as well. So, yeah. I wrote loads of tunes with this thing. Yeah. Sure, that's heavy. I am very much tempted, though, to rig that up to, say, the Atari ST with the Cubase dongle. No, that's what I'm saying, Gwen. Maybe I should do one at some point. It's a great bit of kit, I have to say. But yeah, I think I might have my SU700 somewhere as well. That's quite a nice little loop machine. I think some of the pots are knackered on it because I played the crap out of it. You'd love that. Yeah, I'm probably going to do some... I have to plan some stuff out because I'm literally like this close to getting partner. But what I have to do is like a bunch of streams. So I might do like a music production week. Like so. It'd be funny to do a co-op stream making each other daft loops or something. I mean, to be fair, me and Gwem could quite easily co-op on a Pro Tracker stream, right? I do some of it. I pass it to him. He adds some more. Passes it back. I add some more. You know, but that'd be quite fun, I think. So, yeah. That's nice and easy to transport between each person then, isn't it? You know, plenty of space for us to go and muck about. Neversoft, welcome in. It is so damn warm. Yeah. That'd be a lot of fun. I'll give that some thought, man. I've got a crazy weekend coming up, so after that, I'll give that some thought. Maybe I'll do a starter and then just on stream and then throw it over to you. Yeah, and then obviously by the time you're finished the following week, you could pass it over to me. So, how do people write tunes in like 2 hours? A stream of me doing it would be over a month. Work harder, subby. I'm being mean, obviously. Hey, TZT, welcome in, mate. Tinker as well. Yeah. To be fair, I was just mucking about the sample pack. You need an 80s headband. Yeah, I need something. It is horrific in it. Should we do one more demo and then get on with the coding? So you've got 1, 5, or 6. There you go. Straight out, like out of nowhere. 6, there we go. 6 has been chosen. It's going in. Oh, and you can't see it, can you? Hang on. There you go. I don't know what this is. Let's find out. Yeah, I spotted that. Yeah. There you go. That is a lovely looking demo, isn't it? Right. I'm going to save these two. I don't know what they are. That was by Narcolor and Color is how I say it anyway. So yeah, let's get some tunes on. There we go. And let's return ourselves to the area of interesting bits and pieces. There we go. I can see now. You can't. So let me fire up Visual Studio Code before you see how many icons I still have on my desktop, because that is very embarrassing. Color screen. Yeah. Where do I need to go? There we go. Beautiful. Oh, why am I? There we go. That's all completely shot. Why? Oh, that is. What on earth? That's absolutely. Oh, that's. Oh, I know why. That's why. Okay, that's better. Okay.
Hey guys, I just want to say that if you do not follow DJ Hoffman on Twitch, then you are an idiot. Thank you very much.
I mean, he said it. It wasn't me. Alright. It wasn't me. So, I mean, yeah. It's very important information there, you know. It's like those old 80s. Oh, here we go. Alright. Right then, shall I just help you out here as well? There you go.
US Gold present from Sega.
Obligatory Outrun. No one can afford that anymore, right? Because I made it really expensive when we were cracking Outrun. I was like, yeah, sod it. As this is kind of interesting. Before we go anywhere else, this is the Secanoid WHD load slave, and I added a patch to it for those interested. Obviously, I don't have a PyStorm. I don't have a Vampire. I said it didn't work on the Vampire, and then someone on the PyStorm said. I popped into the channel and said, why doesn't it work on the PyStorm? And apparently it doesn't work on the PyStorm because the PyStorm can only read the chip RAM at half the speed. But obviously everything else is fast enough. So it then searches for some code there, and then drops in a cache flush, and then does the pixel routines. So there you go. And there's another one here. That was another patch. That one there, wasn't it? Start game. So that's an option there for immortal joysticks. So he could stop people mucking about with the controller settings. Let's turn it down a touch. There we go. Lovely. So yeah, that was that. That's not how you write a WHD load slave apparently, but I prefer like finding stuff. So there you go. Cast flush? No, I always sit like this. Yeah, hey Thalamis, mate, how you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Right. So, let me show you what we've got. And we built this thing for Frozen. Neversoft. Video frozen. No, but mate, I wish the video was frozen because I am fucking boiling. So yeah, let's have a quick look at this because I built this build Right. You're fine here and a long way away. Good. Right, let's see what this does. I can't remember what this is. Does it work? Has it crashed? That has not started, at least, has it? That has... Wow, that's interesting. What's going on with that? Let's just stop that a sec. Okay. Dock view. Yeah. Oh, that's why. Okay, system nice. Let's put system nice on. There we go. That might help. That's probably why it doesn't work. Yay! There we go. Right, so this was the thing that I built for the Damocles mercenary thing. So we're basically going to repurpose this, because this does a thing, and then you can come back, select a dock with the mouse, click blah blah blah. So we've already got basically the basis for what we need, right? I do want to fix these this kind of shadow effect, because I don't think that's right. So yeah, we want to fix that as well. I want it to look better. So yeah, there we go. We got a bit of a starter. So scroll bar might be nice. Oh, Thalamus, you're a little bugger, aren't you? But that's not a bad idea. That's not a bad idea. You know, we want to make this like a really nice experience, right? Nags! How you doing? I also want to add fake space at the start and the end, potentially. Keyboard controls. No, we don't have keyboard controls. And, no, Thalamus, no. We're going to explode them into... And then the bass drops. Well, yeah, fair enough, yeah. So, first things first, I want to get rid of this PT player that we've got, because I don't like this one. And I did a better... I've got a better one somewhere. Where is it? C/code/ sweating like a bastard. Was it a damn mission? This one? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, it could be this one. We've got the DMA fix. DMA wait, let's just check this out. That's interesting. Oh, hang on, let's check at the top. Was it got a macro at the top? No. No. Okay, it's not there. Don't call me Shirley. Oh, fucking weird. Oh, I know where we did it. It was the TT Wudo. That's it. And we've got in here where is it? It's in there somewhere. It's so hot I can't find the bloody replay code. Include folder? No, that's just the Oh! Fucking hell. Alright. Yeah, alright. Fair enough. Yeah, that's the one. Fuck's sake. Okay, so I'm going... Let's first do a new file. pt.asm, right? That's fine. Put that in there. Yeah, that's happy. Right, I'm going to get rid of PT Player because that's the one by PHX, which is fast and everything, but it is problematic at best. Okay. So let's get rid of the tune. Yep, we are in doc view 2 yet, and then get rid of that tune because we don't want that tune either. And then we need to get NE7's tune as well, right? This isn't going to build now, is it? Which is correct. It's not supposed to. Yeah. Okay. Find ptplayer.asm. Yep. Cool. So we change that to pt.asm. That will give us another bunch of errors. Oh, and we've got no module now. Oh, fuck's sake, why did I do that? Didn't we rip your module the other week, NE7? Where did we put it? It might be in my Dropbox folder. Yep, 100%. We definitely ripped it. I think it might be in Dropbox in the WinUEE folder. Let's do it by date modified. Oh, bugger, I've destroyed my playlist now. Okay, right, let's just call that... right, let me sort this out a sec. Open, reveal in File Explorer, there we go. We'll just put this in here, we'll just call this tune.mod, right? Right, I want to get rid of Cinta, because we don't use that anymore. We don't use tune.dat. pt.asm, yeah. NE7tt.txt, I mean, no, we don't need that anymore. Okay. So, where was that? Find mod.future. Okay, so we'll just call this tune.mod, right? Because then you can just replace out a mod file, right? And now it might build. Oh. You mean to say that I included I included the TT logo in that? Add your speed loader. We don't need a speed loader. Fuck, we've got no fucking playlist now. Hang on. Bear with me a moment. Google Drive. Amiga. Mod dump. There we go. Let's go back to Dexor. Amiga 500. Chip mods. Throw the lot in there. Random scroll. There we go. Was it the new logo? No, it's still the old one. That it was just that this kind of like there we go. Right, that's looking a bit better. Yeah, basically the Tiny Tro was like the basis for this when it started. So right. So find mt_install CIA. Right, so we don't need any of that shit anymore. Custom, we'll do that anyway. We're not doing a CIA, so you can't have CIA tunes in this because I'm just being lazy. And then it's just empty in it with A0. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's just actually I think we just do that. That's not a thing. Right. Don't need that. And then all we need to do is on the... Where is it? God, I haven't looked at this code for ages. Main. Have we got a... We must have a Cinta in it. We need to sort this mess out as well. We will get onto that. V-blank tick, which I'm assuming ends in an RTE somewhere. Okay, cool. Oh, shit. Yep. No. There we go. Yeah, do all that. Actually, let's just do BSR MT_play. MT music. There we go. Right. So. So what in here? Hey, Jamp. How you doing? Commander Keen, Officer Father. Pyro, NE7, everyone in there, keep it lovely and busy. Hello. We're making an ASCII collection pack system. Okay, but the first things first is I wanted to replace the player with a standard Pro Tracker one, the most reliable, and now Any server, mate. There's no problem with this. This is, look. Oh, it doesn't show you there. This is the original Pro Tracker replay routine. There's nothing more compatible than this thing, right? It is a shower of shit. It uses way too many rasters and way too many CPU cycles. But it is, like, it'll play everything correctly. So, yeah. Everything else can get very close, right? But there's always like that last little like edge case someone's used. So yeah. Sounds like a challenge. I mean, you can try, mate. We use this exact replayer in PT1210, and that plays everything. So. Oh yeah, we'll do that as well. It'll probably overwrite some RAM as well if you're using the EFX. So yeah. Do you know what? I'd completely forgotten to do it. We do have time to just prep it up. So give me a second, right? Hang on. Because I did forget. Imploder ADF. Is it version 3 or 4? No, we don't really. JC1980. There's a lot that goes on, but yeah, like the CIA player is like that because the music player is like the CIA interrupt, and that's the highest priority. Everything else just comes second. Like if the screen draw's slow, then it doesn't matter. So let's have a look then. Hang on, that's not the right thing to do. Let me do that. Show all. Right, and then what we're going to do this time as well is go Imploder version 4. Yeah, that one. Okay. And then let's just put that in. You probably can't see in the corner of this as well. This is where the fun really begins, right? Hang on. Right. Right, let's drag that into there. Downloads, that's fine. Okay, and then this, you can't see down in this corner, disk flashback. I can go copy file to real disk. And then go downloads, Imploder. Yep. And now I'm writing an ADF direct to a floppy disk in Windows. He could be right back, bloody bladder. Don't worry, mate. We're doing the Imploder. Rob Smith dev for the win. Yeah. What I must say, though, is this is not as fast as Flux My Floppy. It is witchcraft. It's very clever. I love the fact that I can just grab any file and it will dump it down to the disk. But it is a lot slower than using Flux. Flux My Floppy. Or... Hey, listen. That's how slow it is. I mean, does someone want to go and optimize his code? I mean, it's not the speed, it's the girth, yeah. Maybe I should turn verify off. Oh, actually, even Flux My Floppy with verify on is quicker than yours, Rob. I'm sorry. But you know, it's lovely. All right, don't get me wrong. I'm being a troll. Get out. Yeah. The readback needs improving. Oh, okay, maybe that's it. I changed my bits up. Flux my flop up. Yeah. FF is probably banging the hardware. It's, to be fair, I think it's just a thing for the Grease Weasel executable. I think. Because it needs a Greasy Weasel executable to be able to do anything. Retro32, how you doing, Carl, mate? Yeah. Don't forget. I know I did lose it. Yeah. If you want to get your ship it thing printed, you have to go see him at Kickstart. Still packing. What you're packing, mate? That's what I want to know. Right. Here you go. I'm going to do a BRB, but a special BRB. Let's go. Put the disc in. I can't see what's going on. That does nothing. Jesus. What the fuck? This is not... oh, this is... There's no DIR command. What the fuck? Oh, damn it. I wish I had my Action Replay plugged in. Well, this hasn't gone very well at all, has it? Right, well. Okay, we're going to do another... We're going to do another BRB for now. I'm going to do the X copy one because you lot love that. And then I'll be back. I need to go make some tea for the wife. So, yeah, back in a bit. Hello, we're back. I see Truck is here. Hello, Truck. How you doing, mate? Let me just, yeah, I also have a fan pointed at my feet, but I don't think it's effective enough. I'm going to switch to torso. Oh. Fucking hell, that's a bit better, actually. Hang on. Oh, yeah. I have a report for a thing called a shipping date. Oh, okay. Oh, yes. Oh, brilliant. Oh, that's good to hear. I also hear a TDK mod. Yeah, I've got chip tunes on today because we're doing a an ASCII collection using a mod by... It's a shipping forecast. Yes, it is, Manimo. So we're making like an ASCII collection kit thing, I guess. It's probably the best way I can do it. I can... oh, I see. Hang on. So this code's a bit of a mess, so... Oh, I see. That's why that's there. Okay. So, hang on. Let me just tidy this up a little. Yeah, that's fine. Beautiful. Get rid of that. Sinter init is not... disabled music, we'll leave that on. Yeah, so the custom, yeah, BSR, and then, yeah, that's fine. We can put all that together. That's fine. Okay. Right, so... To be fair, mate, if it's hot in Finland, you know, you lot aren't used to that. So, okay, I might have to. Okay, so that we don't have to, let's just test that works. That probably won't. Because actually, I've just broken something, haven't I? So, Sinter init mine, which is not Sinter anymore. I know, Sinter play, we're not even calling that anymore. Okay. Which is annoying. This code base is a bit of a mess, actually. Okay, so, if disable music equals 0... end if. There we go. Right. So now we should be able to... Your Finnish pals have tried to melt you in the sauna before. Vampire MSX, I didn't see you there, mate, earlier. Yeah. So now it should be silent and everything should still work. Excellent. That's what I like to see. Right. So let's start turning this into something that is actually a production, right? So... First thing we want to do is go to the lovely demo zoo. Oh, actually, this might be problematic because no one from Nova has actually released all of the entries yet, have we? And people keep asking me to do it, but I've been very busy. So, Nova, let's just see if... Nova, let's search parties. This could be a bit of a problem, couldn't it? Yeah, stuck in the incoming folder apparently. Oh, well, it's not me. Okay, well, it's not me then. 24. But it's all here, look. 24 by 4K. ASCII Nova by any 7 of Divine Stylers. Executable music. Oh, I forgot that I released that. Maybe we should have a quick listen to that, actually. Okay. So anyway, on to the important stuff. Let's get the ASCII Amiga OCS ECS. There we go. Okay. I'm on the important PC though, so hang on. Haha. Excellent. Okay, so now I still have access to everything. ASCII. Here we go. Okay. D/Novi. That's fine. Let's make a new folder, shall we? Directory. ASCII. Blah blah. Yep. Let's grab all of those. Yeah. Okay, so now I have everything because I have access. Oh, I see, Minimote, that's fine. That cover sounds familiar. Yes, this is mine. Anyway, that's Monty High Score. Monty Bowl High Score. Monty on the Run High Score, I think. Right, D:/Nova 2024. Yeah. ASCII, there we go. Right, nope. Fathom. Okay. Fathom, was that an ASCII as well? Okay, yeah, there we go. This is the one. That's the badger. Okay. Not far off the Commando music, to be fair, yeah. They're both quite similar. Okay, doc view 2. So we'll make a new folder in here called text, right? We'll call this 01.txt, right? 40 kilobyte, Jesus Christ. That's a good question. So it is a calculator. You might have created a bit of a situation here. So 670 lines of ASCII, right? 80 columns of text. So that's times 80 times 8. 428k. Okay, I can't do what I did before. Okay, now, people, there is one single music entry incoming. Yeah, everyone's waiting for me to upload everything, that's why. You know, man's busy, so. Okay, so, in my current situation, this is not going to work. Damn it, that's really just too much. No, but Any7, what you're not realizing is my current text viewer renders all of the text as in a giant bitmap, so you can scroll around it as you please, right? But it's not going to fit in RAM. So yeah, so I need to do something else, I think. Time for a more optimized viewer. Exactly, yes, that is fair, right? Okay. Damn it. I thought we could just drop it in. Smaller font. No, we can't do that. We need 2 meg of additional RAM to view this README. Yeah. I mean, it's not a README. It's actually a fantastic ASCII. So, anyway, let's have a look at the code then. Let's see what we can do about this. Okay, there's a couple of scrolling techniques that we can implement here. Let's just see what it looks like inside the doofer first, yeah? 2 buffer. I don't know yet. Hang on, I just need to eject the disk out of that because it's just clicking away. Right. Doc. Oh, okay. Here we go. Okay, so doc. Oh, I see. I put it in docs. Okay, text. 01.txt. Right. Let's build that. Okay. And somewhere. Let's just get it viewing first, right? So we can go and scroll around it. Line spacing is 9. Oh! Oh no, that needs to be 8. Okay. Okay. Where's the Oh, max lines. There we go. Max lines 320. Let's put that to 670 then, right? 540. Okay, yeah, it's too big. Yeah, I will do. It'll be a mess if I don't go and I have to tidy it up. It's going to take ages. So yeah, I will ping Menace. I know how to get hold of him. So when it's ready, I will. Okay. Right. VS Code. Launch. Chip. Men size. Chip mem size. Right. Save. Build that. There we go. Okay, so and that's out of sorts now as well, isn't it? Because it's by okay, yeah. Now, the question is, does that look correct, NE7? Yar! There we go. It looks pretty good, yes. Apart from the fact that we can't spend this much bloody chip RAM, right? Could use a pot noodle though, what do you mean? Chip men are subordinates of general failure, yeah. Mike 0 team, welcome in. So yeah, how do we... It's missed your last line out as well, hasn't it? Okay, so that's to do with file id.diz.bbs BBS brubs. Right. So this is correct anyway. That's fine. Okay, let's have a think about how we're going to do this then. Yeah, it's going to make scrolling a bit trickier though, isn't it? If you want to like just go and have a little route around it. That's the problem, isn't it? But if we don't let them scroll, then that makes life a lot easier, right? But maybe we should just do that anyway. Like, you're looking at an ASCII pack, right? So, well, the real you could slow auto scroll. I mean, I think maybe we should just do that, right? That'd make life a lot easier. We could have like a set screen size. Wouldn't take anything then, would it? Speed, yeah. It'll look dead lice. Dead lice. Dead lice. Okay, so I have a feeling that blitting one high-res screen is going to be too slow. Realistically, we could beam race it though, couldn't we? So render a certain amount before and after would remove the need for double buffering. Yeah, so on that point, what I did was render AE by 25 pics and then put them one after the other. Okay. So when you're like, oh, I see, so you have like two pictures, you can scroll between the two, but then you still got a copper split to deal with then, right? Which is going to be a pain in the arse. So see now, Seekanoid clears, it moves. I think maybe we might be able to get away with this in like a really dirty way, right? If you think about it, I think so. What you need to do is render the newly exposed area. Yeah, I mean that's one way of doing it. Two full screen. Oh no, I know what you mean. That's truck. That's how what's it called? That's how Nightmare works. Basically, the game scrolls upwards, and then by the time it's got to the top screen, the bottom screen is a duplicate of the top screen, so it just clicks around like that. But I think we can just cheat this. I reckon we could do a blit. We must be able to do a blit of an entire high-res 1-bit plain screen in a frame, and we should be able to beam race that fucker, right? Don't you think? I reckon so. I'm going to have to just... here's 1-bit plain, second copy of the shadow, you've got the memory. The shadow's just second bit plain pointer, that's piece of piss. Right, give me a moment, I just need to have a quick break. And press a button. Right. I think we're going to go for the two screen method where we scroll down. And as you scroll down, we'll basically end up, when we get to the bottom, pop back up to the top, and we should have a duplicate. This is a bugger to sort out. But, yeah. Let me just, yeah. Okay. Sign in. Oh, whoa. Okay. Oh, no, okay, right, fine. Blank spreadsheet. No. ASCII. There we go. Right, so let's just think this through. That is very bright, isn't it? I don't like it. Fuck off. Right, so let's say the bit planes, that'd be 0. Line, we'll just class them as lines, right? +1, right? So, right. Okay. So it's 256 high, right? Which is 32 visible character lines at any time. Oh, Cammy, welcome in. How you doing, my dear? Much love. I did this in Blooming Nightmare, but I can't remember how to do it now. So, in the first instance, from the top line, let's say there's nothing there, you would see the first 32 lines, right? And they would all be blank. So let's just colour those. No. Or not, as the case may be. Come on. All right. So that's what you'd see first of all, right? So we're going to scroll into that one, right? Let's colour that something else, right? Yeah, okay. So this is line 1, right? As we scroll into that, we also need to print line 1 above here, don't we? So it is the visible height that you can see with 2 extra rows of text to be able to manage it, right? I've got raw versions of the fonts. I've ripped them from the ROM, so I've got them. Don't worry. Literally in here, topaz.bin, right? So I don't have to rely on the OS, on the ROM. So I've got them. So actually, yes, so that's right. This is how I remember it now. So we've got 32 lines, right? Which means we actually need, but not the others. Okay. Let me just have a quick look at that. That's multi-platform. I don't need multi-platform. I just need Amiga. Raw. Oh, I see. Topaz 500. I'm only interested in Topaz 500 though. So, but I am going to just chuck that there. So I've got it for later reference. We can sort out the font later. That's like the least of our worries right now, right? So, okay. So, right. So actually, okay. If we start there. See, this is where it got really tricky, right? So you won't see that. That'll be line 1. I mean, it should say 0, right? Really? That +1, right? Let's blue this up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I might have picked slightly different colour, but you know, I've got colourblind issues, so deal with it. So it's actually just, maybe we have to start offset it, right? So actually we start viewing there. One line offset, right? So what we would end up doing is actually drawing there as the first line. Then we'd scroll into empty space. Or we just put an extra line at the top? No. Oh, man. Jobbo, you should just blitter scroll. It's only 20k of data. I mean, that's a lot easier to manage, right? Fucking hell. All right. Okay, let's see how. Fuck it, let's do that, right? It's a lot easier to work out, right? Because you just have one extra line at the bottom. So actually, right. Let's start with that then. So the question is how does this actually work? It's got a decent text plotter, so that's good. That's menu print. Doc print, okay. Sprite coord, okay. Doc last, okay. I don't remember any of this fucking code, if I'm honest. Okay. Doc main, init, menu select, show, view. Okay. So, show. What does that do? Waits until the palettes fade up. Okay. Doc clear. Okay, fade down. Sorry. Doc clear, doc print. So we're not going to print the doc, right? Okay. Okay. Add one to the doc status. Yeah, that's fine. Doc view. That waits for the fade up. Okay. And that does mouse control. Okay, so instead of doing mouse control, we'll do doc scroll, right? Right. Right, so that'll do nothing. Yes, I'll doc scroll, right? Fuck it, use vectors. No. Okay, so if we do that, it does nothing. But we can go back to the menu. Okay, so that's good. That's a good start, right? Nothing's crashed. We've made some changes. So doc scroll will be, okay. Render out 1 pixel at a time to even out the load. It's like the worst thing. It's like the worst suggestion on the Amiga ever. Yeah, right, so what we want to do is, what we need is a doc pos, right? dc.w. Oh no, I've got variables for this shit. Hang on. Where are they? Variables. Okay. Okay. Christ, there's loads of mess in here. Doc pos rs.w0, right? So that'll be doc line, right? Doc scroll pos rs.w. It's also, no, 1 actually. There's supposed to be 1. Pixel count, right? Maximum scroll speed supported when scrolling. Split and render the new lines above, below, depending on the direction. Yeah, we're only going one way though. Let's get one thing working first, right? Stream it from floppy, mate. I don't need to stream anything from floppy. My load is too quick already. Right, so first things first, we need to clear doc pos and doc scroll, right? So, show. So rather than doc clear, right? So clear.w doc pos, comma A5, yep. And clear.w doc scroll. Doc scroll A5, right? So that's just our initialization. Add one to the status, that's fine, right? Okay, doc scroll, okay. Test .w doc scroll, right? A5. BNE dot blitz shift, right? Okay. Else print a line, right? That's what we need to do there. And then blitz shift. Fuck off. Blitz shift. Right. There. Okay, so we do that and then after that, what we want to do is add q.w/1 to doc scroll to move the scroll position. Yep. And then .w7 to doc scroll. Okay, A5. There we go. Okay, blitz shift. Okay, so let's print a line, right? So fuck, we need a text pointer, don't we? Okay. Let's call this doc init instead, right? So doc ID, doc list into A0, right? And then move dot long with A0 into doc PTR, right? Comma A5. So I need a pointer for that as well. RTS, right? Okay. So let's add that. Doc PTR rs.l1, right? Okay. Does that still build? Doc pos. Redefined. Oh, fuck. Okay. Doc line, we'll call that. Right. I don't care what the doc pos is anymore because that's okay. Docking it. Okay, so we'll do the whole thing in here. Clear.w. Doc line A5. Clear.w. Doc scroll. Come at A5. Yeah. Okay. And then instead of wherever the fuck we were, doc print, where was that? There. Okay, we'll call doc init there. There we go. Init. There we go. And we don't need those anymore. Oh, you fucking bastard. Okay. This is the single most unhelpful errors ever. Okay, doc init. Okay, that's fine. Doc list, doc ID, doc scroll. Oh, that's why. Okay, yeah, that doesn't help, does it? Okay, I see. Scroll pos. Okay. Doc line. Okay. Fine. Doc scroll pos. Okay. we'll scroll. Do scroll. The fuck? Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. I see what I've done wrong. Okay, scroll pause. Doc scroll pause. Okay, yeah, I see the mess here. Yeah. Terrible code. Very drunk. Let's see how we get on with that. Okay, it builds. I mean, it's an absolute mess, but you know. I'm never lives coding. Would just be me checking the white space for rogue spaces and tabs. Choppo. Mate, embrace the chaos. That's what I say. Do a fucking blitz shift, right? That's what we need to do there. Right, so first things first, right? So doc init, right? We've got doc init now, haven't we? Somewhere. Doc init, right? So in doc init, we clear the doc line, scroll pause, okay, and then we set the doc pointer, right? So what we need is a doc print line, right? Here we go. Okay, so we need to print a line, right? So doc print, for fuck's sake, doc print line, right? So move dot longword doc. Actually, so how do we do the printing at the moment? Find doc print, right? Basically, I kind of need this. Okay. So we'll just copy that actually. Find doc print line. Let's get rid of that, right? And then what we're going to do is go doc print, right? And then we're going to change that to doc print line, right? Line. There we go. Right, and rather than doing all of that mess there, all we need to do is move. Let's just check that again. Yep. Move dot longword doc ptr comma a5 into a0, right? Okay. Screen mem. That'll be offline equals 32 times 8 times 80, right? Which I think is right. No, 320. So it's actually, oh no, that is right. 32 lines by 80 bytes wide times 80 columns. Okay, now that's probably right. Okay. Okay, there's loop line. So instead of loop line, all we need to do is move.longword a0 into doc ptr comma a5 and then RTS. Fuck's sake. Yeah, there we go. I don't need line feed. Okay, there we go. That's it. That's all we need to do. Okay. Still builds. We'll have some of that. Okay, we're doing some heinous shit here, right? Doc print line, right? Nothing is calling that, right? Doc in it, doc print line, okay. Oh, where was that doc in it? I should, okay. Here we go. Doc menu view, okay, right. Doc scroll. Here we go. BSR doc print line, right? So, if it's equal, we will write a new line at the bottom. Otherwise, we need to do a big old fucking blitz shift, right? Okay. So that will do nothing at the moment, right? Okay, is that doing something? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. And then... Yeah! Okay. Cool. Right. Right, so what is the blit that we need to do then? Right, so the blit we need to do is 80 bytes wide. 256 lines tall. Right, so that's actually 40 words wide. Okay. This is quite easy to do, I think. I'm sure that's already set. Right, so... this is really handy, actually. BPL con, right? No, BLT. There we go, right. So I just want to do a copy. There we go. So, actually, move.longword. 09F0 000 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Oh no. 09F0 1 2 3 4. Okay. Enter BLT con 0 A6. Maybe we should put a blit weight. BLT what? What? Oh fuck's sake. Okay. Add blit weight. Jesus Christ. Okay. So our setup is done. So what we want to do is that's a DMA set. Okay, so we just need to move.longword screen mem plus 80 into BLT PT. So that's the source. So we're copying from there, we're pasting to there. So actually we don't need to do descending, so that's fine. BLT A pointer into A6, right? That's the source. Then the destination will be there, right? Which is our destination, right? We need to obviously move .longword -1 into BLT first word mask, which will do first and last word mask. We need a blit size, right? So our scroll BLT size. Let's do that. Which will be fuck's sake. Move.w BLT size. There we go. Height. Height is okay. Height is up there. So height is 256. It's actually 256 plus 8, isn't it? Plus 8, yep. And that is getting shifted up by 6. And then the number of words is 40, right? Fuck me, that is horrible. Right. Move that into blit size, A6, right? Surely. Modulos. Oh fuck yeah! Thank you very much. Okay. Move.w 0 into BLTA mod. Yes, thank you. I knew there was something. There's always something I miss. This is why I copy a fucking blit from somewhere else before I go. Okay. No, this is round the wrong way, by the way. I need to do the blit first. If this does something... What I mean by that is square root of fuck all. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the blit, do scroll. We're going to set that off first. Because we need to do that every frame anyway. Oh no, it does need to be descending, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm writing over itself. Okay. Oh, fucking hell, that's a pain in the ass. Right. Right, we've come to official break time. So I need to make the wife some tea. But you're right, we need to do it descending mode, don't we? Because we're overwriting the data as we read it. Yeah. It's round the wrong way. And I've completely ignored chat for God knows how long. So I'll be back in a bit. Oh, we forgot to do the... Actually, let's spend a little time. Let's see if we can find this freaking imploder, right? Imploder ADF. Okay, find imploder. Okay. Where was that disk we had as well? There. Okay. Downloads. Imploder v4. Different file. Okay, so that one's the VH. Okay, right. We can use disk flashback. Copy file to real disk. Let's try that one. Yes. Actually, we can mount this as well, can't we? Mount disk. Or can I not mount the disk because I'm reading it at the same time? Okay, no, I can't do that. Getting a CTO failed programmer t-shirt. Francis, I know we shouldn't talk work, but did everything work or did it fail today? Francis was doing me a solid. He was helping me out with someone on site outside of work hours. Because he's fucking brilliant, that's why. So, he does know what he's doing, yeah. He's typically British. That's a conversation for tomorrow. All good, sort of. I like that. That's like, okay, so something kind of worked, but something needs some work, right? Perfect. I hope this disc works this time. This does take a while, man. No, I think we'll have user memory address at 0. Apart from, I've seen people write stop there before, or help. Actually, I think maybe something in the CPU writes help there. Okay, this has a startup sequence. Okay. I need to optimize for Grease Weasel. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. What I should do is just pick up a drawbridge from you. The Kickstart ROM writes help there. I thought it did. That's a nice tune, that. But you get this now. And I'll be back in a bit. Once it starts, obviously. I should leave you waiting. Oh, Hooverphonic, you are right. I was just thinking that, literally as you typed it. Man, I need to make this a video. This is far too long-winded and annoying. Anyway, Imploder. Now. Any moment. Right. There we go. Let's reset that and carry on with that. Vimster, mate, how you doing? Right. I know what the problem is. Right. First of all, what I need is a blit weight macro. But I know what the problem is. Yeah, Hooverphonic was right. I had the blit was correct anyway, right? If I do descending, it's going to overwrite itself. That's a terrible idea. So what I need is in my macros, edit, blit weight. Weight blit, okay. And maybe it's still there. Maybe it is there. Hang on. We've got macros here. And we're jump in text, plain to come. Okay, no, I don't have one there. Okay, right, so let's put that in. And I'll tell you exactly what's wrong with it. That's fine, we'll just get that. Okay. White blit. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Lovely. That's a solid blit weight. There we go. Doxis. Right, so if I put this at the top, right? In fact, what we'll do, we'll put a knob here, right? And then I'll build it again. And you'll see exactly what's wrong with this. Okay. Okay, so we'll knob into that. Wait a bit, nothing's going on. So, what's happened? 1,000 internet points for the person that can tell me what I've done wrong here. Because I've worked it out. I know exactly what's wrong. Jobbo, 5,000 internet points to you. Yes, absolutely correct, right? The blitter is not enabled, which I believe is that bit there. Done that one. Mate, I do that one every fucking time. It's unbelievable. Okay, white blit. Okay. Oh! Okay, so it's going to be doing something now. Huzzah! Right, you ready for this to crash in a minute? There's a couple of things wrong. Why would you want it to scroll any other speed than this anyway? That's what I want to know. Yeah, that's what we're waiting for, JC1980. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I thought that was going to crash or just start like drawing all sorts of manner of crap out of RAM, but okay. But okay, so what I want to do is let's put a blit weight at the end of that, right? Right. Yeah, what's happened to Jules? Where is he? Okay, that still seems good. Okay, let's just let's see where and it does a print line, right? So after everything, let's do move.w red into color 00 into A6, right? And let's just see whereabouts we're looking at, right? So we've got everything in there. Let's see how much actual time this is taking, because I'm very curious. Fucking hell, it's quite a lot, isn't it? Rob, you off, mate? I didn't see that there. Laters. I'll see you on Friday night or Saturday then, mate. Rob Smith, if you're about on Friday night, give us a shout. I'll be out with Nivrig, so. Or the Norwich Amiga group lot. Ooh, Blitter Nasty. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's a good idea. So we're about there, right? Let's say, okay, it's about my pinky's length, right? So let's see, Blitter Nasty. I've got that actually. That's actually a okay. Macros. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay. Macros. Okay, yep. Weight blit. We'll call this weight blit N. There we go. I bet we don't have that anyway, do we? Okay. Ah, fuck's sake. Okay. New. Let's get a new window up. Let's just open up that. Find that. No, find that. Thank you. There we go. Constant. Beautiful. That saves me having a muck about. There we go. Build that. Which isn't using that yet. Okay. There. Okay. N. Okay. That's happy. Right, let's see if that's made any difference. Holy shit! It's literally from like my knuckle to there. That's a massive difference. Jobbo, thank you very much, mate. Curl, you're off, mate. No worries. Thanks for tuning in. Look, we could even fit like an oscilloscope in that. Okay. You text drawing is rubbish. You complaining about my my chunk here? I think you'll find my code's not bad for that. I could optimize it, I guess, but look, bam. I could probably improve, actually, to be fair, I could probably improve that shift. There is some stuff there that could be done. So, that's good. I mean, let's be honest, right? That's good enough for what we want to do. Okay, so what we need to do then is work out when we are at the end of our document, right? Well, let's test it then, shall we? Let's just we're also using the original Pro Tracker replayer, so let's see how that affects things. Okay, so where was that? Doc view. Okay. Let's undisable music. Oh, it'll be fine. It's going to be not a problem at all. Here we go. Okay, so there you go. So that's... Oh, Hooverphonic. Oh. I did think that, actually. That's a nice idea. Because you effectively have double the rate, right? But we've 2K4. I've been late on the stream, got to catch up, but love the tune. Nice. It's by NE7, who also did all of that ASCII amazing graphics work. So I'm pretty happy with that, though. We're getting somewhere, though. Also, I was thinking earlier, like NE7, if you do like wind up the C64 lot into doing another Amiga music disc on C64, I might have to do a cover of Imploder 4 because that would be quite fun. I think that would work quite nicely. So yeah, finish and get job. Yeah, there is that. Terrible fire, mate. You also go in there with Scotland flags. Yeah, mate, if it happens, man, if you get it all sorted out, just give us a shout. I'll definitely fire up Goat Tracker for a little cover of something. Just see what it is. Oh, that's really nice, that. That's what that is. Sounds the Amiga volumes 1 to 4 on C64. I remember when I first met you, man. You guys were releasing those. They were great. Right. These chip tunes, this is quite fun, actually. That's obviously a single patterner. Was for the chat. I know you've seen him, pal. Yeah. I did do a tune that would have fitted into that, though. Let's just high voltage collection. Yep. I should have put it on there, really. Where is it? What? Search. Okay, search. Okay. There we go. But the other problem is that I have no idea how to play that on my PC anymore. PC SID player. Players. Okay, yeah. And isn't there like an online a SID play? Isn't there what online now? Deep SID. This is it. Let's have a look. Web SID emulator. Okay, yeah. So how do we do a search on this thing? Search. There's got to be a search here somewhere. Scope, filter. Yeah. For fuck's sake. Where was it? I don't want to rate tunes. I just want to do a search. Deep SID is an online SID. Yeah, okay. Click any folder. Okay. High voltage. Okay, right. Okay. Musicians. Okay. So H. I'm under 0 or O. Okay, O. There we go. Who's this bastard? Here. Yeah, it was some hand-drawn shit that was, straight from like one tracker to another. So this must work. I feel I've got slightly sidetracked here. Come back? Where's the tag does come back? Alright, I'll chuck it on next track, don't worry. I suppose my C64 one, yeah. Neversoft though, TTE aren't a C64 group, so okay. Good build, yeah. I mean, I can't help but just carry on listening to this. I'm sorry. Anyway, there you go. That's enough of that. Announce. What's the other one? Oh, what's that one? Oh, that's the one that's influenced by Prodigy. Let's just. We've got to fast forward. DMC, yeah, that's what I did my first bunch. But yeah, anyway, that's enough of that silliness. There we go. Let's get some background music on there. There we go. Anyway, there you go. That was a detour. How we do for time? Half an hour left. Okay, this is in... I mean, there's a lot of cleaning up to do, but ultimately... £12. Let's do it for all of them now. So yeah. Okay, cool. I'm happy with that. That's a really good base to like. Yeah, I'll do like different speeds and stuff. Then create the tune in ASCII, Cole. No. No, my time with Secret Spectrum Secret Spectrum stuff is very much done. Right, half an hour left. Right, I'm gonna find some more demos. Someone reminded me of a few earlier that I just kind of really want to grab copies of, but I can't remember what they were. Alright, do it now, mate. Do it now. Go on. Pull it up. Pull it up. Go on, NE7. Wait for it. Okay, there we go. It's in. It's in. Wizardry by TDK Mod. Oh my god! Do you all want to talk about, what's that producer called? Timberland, that was it. Latest Nivrig, I'll see you on Friday, mate. Oh, it's that tune Timberland stole, yeah. And Nelly Furtado, yeah. The Controversy. Yeah. I mean, yeah, she didn't know about it. He did, though. He knew exactly what he was doing. He thought he'd get away with it. And he had enough money to get away with it. Oh, there it is. There we go. Oh, it was TDK. Yeah. It had a fucking synth station in the studio. Yeah, but this is a Pro Trucker tune. Follow me. She didn't know. She's an Atari ST girl. That's too funny. Right. There you go. This one requested by the mighty NE7. There we go. Requested by NE7. You want to make me throw on something else, actually. Let's have a look. Let's get some background. There we go. There you go. Mark, if you're out there, mate. That's a banger, actually. I was thinking of something then. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I do somewhere, but I was thinking of something much weirder than that. amp.dascene.net, because we've been very chippy today. Is it that? Did that come up? Yeah, there we go. I mean, that still baffles my mind, right? 326 modules online. I mean, do we want to get weird? Come on. Save link as, okay. Yeah. Keep, yeah, thank you. Now Chrome. Okay. Was either that or what was the other one? Was it that one? I've forgotten now. Oh yeah, you can't, can you? You're supposed to use the thing in that point. I'll do it for you.
My eyes, the goggles do nothing.
Was it that? My God, there's a bunch of these actually. Keep. It's like a part 2 or something. Part 2? No? It's gonna confuse me, that. Fuck it. Alright, let's have a look then. Oh God. Keep. Okay. No. There we go. Shades of noise. Yep. Sinister, yeah. There we go. Right, we're gonna roll out with a few tunes actually, I think, because it's just very chippy today, and I can't help it. Fucking hell, I've gone completely wrong. There we go. Let's try Life of a Reverbed Monkey. And this is weird. See, this is the bit that I don't understand why I did this. I think I was emulating something else. But it just stays really quiet for ages. I think it was like a SIG tune that I listened to that had a bug in it. But yeah, anyway, let's go with this one instead. Of course, the microphone's not on because, you know, it's late and I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see what this is, shall we? Ooh, track loaded. No. Oh, it's a music disc. So this is a music disc that was released at Dover this last weekend. The weekend before, sorry. So all music by Synesthesia of Rift / Art State / other groups. So we're gonna have a little browse. That's pretty quickly. Terrible fire off, mate. I'll see you on Friday night. Probably with the Norwich Amiga group lot. Let's see what this is, shall we? Right. I think we've accidentally saved our best demo till last. So this one. Oh yeah, I know what this is. Oh. Let's give that a round of applause. Fantastic music disc, actually. It's really good. Go check it out. Blimey, 10 years ago, right? Jeez Louise. There you go. Decadence. That was, let's just appreciate that that was on the 500. It's very fancy. Yes, you're absolutely right. They're Neversoft. Yes. Absolutely correct. Why is that not making any... Oh, that's why. Right, so yeah, that'll do us for today, I think. We got some good work done. It scrolls and it's solid. We've got plenty of raster time left. So yeah. NE7, we will wrap that up into a nice little collection in the next couple of weeks. Right, and then we'll release that. In fact, maybe I might do it before we get to Kickstart the weekend, then I'll distribute it on floppy disk, right? Because I think that'd be a great bit. TDD, thank you. Blitter Object, thank you very much. DNL. See ya. No worries. Well, you know where we're going. I'm going to start a raid over to Charlie Farr because this is what we do on a Wednesday night. Commander Key, night. Night Francis, Booney. Thanks for the stream. Missed most of it. Busy with other stuff. No worries, mate. You know, Dockster, much love. Offog, thanks. No worries. Braxton, Giku, Thalamus. You lot are amazing. You know that. Right. Truck. Upload. Yes, I will try and get that done in a minute, alright? Or tomorrow, alright? Prince Phase 101. See you at Kickstart, mate. I'll see you there, mate. I will see you there. Yes. Yeah. I know. Right, we're going to raid over to our pal Charlie Farr because that's what we do. So, yeah, I'll see you Wednesday next week. Much love all. Thanks for the awesome ASCII joy. No worries, NE7. Thanks for the awesome ASCII so we can bring your joy. That's the thing. Right, see you soon. See you all on Saturday or Sunday if you're at Kickstart. If not, I'll see you on Wednesday. Night all. See you soon.